my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to formulas and word math method. As you can see on the screen, expression contains the basic operation like multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. So we have to solve this expression using the order of operation and find out which answer is correct. We have here the four answer. One, A is 17, A is 17, B is 30, and C is 27, and D is 37. So now we have to find which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall how we can solve these expressions. Basically, we have here three rules. One is bit mass, other one is baud mass, and third one is palm down. Basically, these rules are similar, and if you are using any of them, so you get the correct answer. These rules basically are different with them because of they are using in different regions. So here we have some meaning of these rules. Like B is basically baud mass and bit mass. B is the bracket. It means that if your expression any bracket or parenthesis in your expression, so you have to solve that part first. After that, you have to solve the exponent or power. Like if any number has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to solve the division or multiplication. Either you are using the baud mass or bit mass or PEMDAS. You have to see left to right. You go into your expression left to right and find out like which part is which operation is coming. Like division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We have to go left to right and find which operation is coming, addition or subtraction. If addition is coming, so we have to solve the addition first. And if subtraction is coming, so we have to solve the subtraction first. Now, let's move to the expression. Now, we have, as per baud mass, PEMDAS, and bit mass rule, we have to solve the bracket. So in our expression, as you can see, we have this bracket first. So B for bracket, so we have to solve this first. And now we will write, and other part we will write as it is. So we will write 5 multiplied by 2 plus, and now we will add 11 plus 9, 8 is equals to 19 minus 18 and divided by 9. So here we will give the reference, it's 19. Now we have our expression which is free from the bracket and the power. So now we will move forward and see like division and multiplication. So we will go left to right. You have to go left to right. This is for division, for multiplication, for subtraction, and for addition. We have to go left to right. So now we will go left to right and see which is coming first. So now we will go left to right and see here we have the multiplication first. So we will solve this part first. So according to the rule, 5 multiplied by 10, this is 10 plus 19 minus 18 divided by 9. And here we will give the reference. This one is 5, the 10. Now we will move forward again left to right. As this part, we will go left to right and like now see like which part we will solve for. Now we have the addition for here, we have the subtraction here, and we have the division in both numbers. So between two numbers. So here we have to solve this part first because as the rule, we have to solve division and multiplication in our expression. When completely solve the division and multiplication operation, so we have to go the addition and subtraction. So now we have the division part. So we have to solve this part and we will go move forward like this one, 10 plus 19 minus 18 divided by 9 equals to 2. And here we will give the reference 18 divided by 9, which is equals to 2. So now again, we have to go left to right right? Again, now we will go this part. So now we have no division and multiplication in our expression. So here we have to solve left to right and see the division is coming first or subtraction. So now we have, sorry, addition is coming first or subtraction. So here we have this addition. So 10 plus 19 equals to 29, and minus 2 is 0. Now in the end we have the 27 answer. As you can see, like how we can solve, and the answer, this is 27 is the correct answer. So how we have to solve, here we will give the reference equals to 29. So now you can see like how you can solve this expression very easily using the PEMDAS and BODMAS method. I like wrote every step, so you cannot confuse to solve this expression. So if you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.